Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload full Facebook profile picture without cropping. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open up any browser and search for facebook.com and click on the search. Now you have to log into your Facebook account using this Chrome browser. Tap on this login. So once you're logged into the Facebook, you have to tap on these three dots in the top right corner and simply tap on this desktop site. And now it will load up on the desktop version here. And now here you have to tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now tap on your profile picture here and tap on your name. And now tap on your profile picture. Two options will appear. You can see profile picture and choose profile picture. Tap on it, choose profile picture, and now you have to choose your profile picture. You can upload your picture. Tap on this upload photo, tap on your preferred photo and click on save. It will take a few seconds to update, and then you can check your profile picture. Your full picture will be uploaded as a profile picture. That's pretty much it for this video. That's how to upload full Facebook profile picture without cropping. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.